What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mini Trades back with another YouTube video. And if you don't know who I am, I'm a 21-year-old stock day trader. And in this video, we're going to go over the significance of a triple bottom. We don't see these often in the market, but once we do, we know that's a sign of a massive move to the upside incoming. And I want to show you exactly how I caught that. So if you guys enjoy the video at the end, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get right into it. You guys can see on MNDR. So this is on 410. So today's 411. Okay. And April 11th. So yesterday we saw a move on MNDR. Now, this was a fresh IPO, and fresh IPOs either go absolutely nuts to the upside or they go absolute tank to the downside. I don't think I've played an IPO runner in the past 2-3 months. I just haven't seen any come up recently. I guess that hasn't been the theme. But nonetheless, we saw a massive move today on MNDR, right? You guys can see from an opening price at 677 all the way to about 1230. So how do market makers work, and what's the significance of a triple bottom? All right, so let's get into it. So first, we're going to talk about what is a triple bottom. Well, you guys can see, let's talk about a double top first. You guys can see that there's a high here, right? Let me change that color so it's a little bit easier to see. There's a high here, so which means this is a top, single top, okay? And then we come and reject here again. So this is a double top, technically a triple top. We have one rejection here, move down. One rejection here, move down. One rejection here, move down. Okay, so that's a triple top. Now, what's a triple bottom? Well, you have a bounce here, back up to that first rejection, second bounce here, so triple bottom, and then boom, back up to this initial rejection, right? So triple top, triple bottom. Now, trading within this is called range trading. Okay, so you buy at the bottom of the range, you sell at the top of the range. These are high risk to reward trades. Now, what does that mean? So if I take a trade at this bottom range, okay, let's just say we take an entry here. If my price target is up here into that top range, I have a 26% gainer. All right, so if I put $6,700 and I'm getting 8,000, so I'm making around $1,500, $2,000, something like that. All right, my stop loss would probably be under this low, okay? Stop loss under this low, or a candle close below this red line. Okay, let's make that green for support. Okay, so we have a 4.4 risk to reward trade. Does that make sense? 4.4 risk to reward trade. Right? So we take that, you're risking almost 6% for 26%. So you would make 20% on the trade. That's a good R trade. Now let's move on. Okay, so what's the significant and how do you trade a triple bottom? Well, obviously we talked about the range, right? So you can trade the range. But also one thing to notice is that if we go on the larger time frame, market structure is still bullish on this stock. So how do you know? So the key thing before entering a stock is actually knowing what the bias is in a trade, right? So if I first thing in the morning I pull up a stock and I'm looking at it, well, is the market structure and the trend bullish? Is it bearish? Is it in consolidation? Is it in manipulation? What's going on here, right? Are we riding the trend? Are we on the downside of the trade? What's going on? So that's what market structure tells you. Now, looking at the market structure here, right, we have a bottom, strong candle, right? Super strong candle. Candle close up here, no upper wick. No wick to the upside. All right, and then we have this new high made, okay? We made a new high here. Okay, so this tells us that this is a break of structure. That's what's called a break of structure, okay? So we broke structure. We broke the previous structure. Now we pull back down to the initial candle that made the new high, okay? This is the push that made the new high. So once we hold this and bounce here, this is called an equal low, okay? This right here is an equal low. So we hold this, bounce, come back to this equal low, bounce, come back to the equal low and bounce. So we never broke this equal low. Now, in a scenario that we broke the equal low, right? Let me draw something out. We could have had right here, I guess. Oh no, where'd the drawing tool go? Oh, I can't find the drawing tool. Okay, drawing mode right here. Okay, yes. What would happen is we break below this level. Okay, it's not working anyway. Okay, so what would happen is we break below this level. Okay, and then we would either consolidate below it, go back up and come all the way down, or grab liquidity to the downside. Okay, so either we would break below it, consolidate, and reject. Okay, or we would just simply stay here, candle open here, grab liquidity, candle close above this level, and then pull back even higher. Right, but this is a protected level. This is what market makers are accumulating off of. Right, we're bouncing here, we're bouncing here, we're bouncing here, we're bouncing here. You guys can see an obvious, hold of this level. So we come back today, and then boom, we break below. Same thing we talked about. Break below. That means all the stop losses are being hit here. Okay, all the stop losses for the people that had stops under here are being hit. We come back into this level. Boom, reclaim. Now next time it tests this 650, beautiful entry because they got the liquidity that they needed to make new highs now. That's exactly what happened. Pull back into this level for a move to the upside. So quick video, almost 7 minutes on a little breakdown of market structure and also the significance of a triple bottom, how to play the stop hunt, and just education in general about trading MNDR. So I hope this video made sense to you. If you guys have any questions, ask in the comments and I'll answer them. If any of this makes sense to you, I hope I'm doing well on easily breaking it down for you guys. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.